Pizza Meatloaf. Gonna take 1 pound of beef and 2 eggs. Add half a cup of breadcrumbs. Gonna add a 1/4 cup of milk. Garlic salt. Minced onion. A couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to mix this all together. I need this together. Now we're going to take it, we're going to dump it out, put it here, and flatten it out, okay? Just use a clean countertop. I'm recommending parchment or foil or something, so that way it'll help roll it up. You'll see what I mean here in a second. Let me get that flat. Now your spaghetti sauce, pizza sauce. I got classic. I'll use whatever you got. 4 cheese. Just gonna want enough for a thin layer like you would on a pizza. Use mozzarella or a blend like I'm gonna do here. And don't worry, as long as the meat gets to 165, the pepperoni will cook through too. Because it only needs to get hot enough to kill the bacteria from the meat, and the pepperoni will be fine. Okay, now here's the trick. Straight down and pull it up. Look at that, it's rolling itself. I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty here in just a second. Get that wash. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Okay, here you go. Now, I'm gonna tuck the ends, press them in just a little bit, and then it'll be ready to go in the low pan. Lightly grease the low pan. You're going to put it right on top and transfer it. Just like that. Press it down a little. Go wash my hands again. Now, a little more pepperoni. Mainly for looks. We're going to see how that turns out. A little more of that spaghetti sauce. Cheese, because it's pizza, dude. Now, 350 for 1 hour is perfect for some baked potatoes. Already wash these. Just give me a second to poke them. We'll get that right in the oven. 350, 1 hour. Boom. Yeah. It's not action. It's just what it is.
Wait.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, this one open.
Okay. There we go. That's transfer. Here we go. Transfer a slice. Let me think. Okay. I want you to get view of the center. Right there, we can see the pepperoni and the cheese in the layer. Look at that.